All right, hello. We are reviewing free WordPress themes for business websites here. And this time we're going to go and have a look at the Workality Lite theme. So we'll just activate that now and have a look at the immediate impact on our basic example site here. They do give you instructions though straight away about using the options panel and widgets, which is nice. So we can see a basic page there, not too exciting. So let's go and have a look at the custom post type that they make available to us. So it's a little bit like a normal post, but just in a completely separate category, which is nice. And with their own sorting fields that we can create here. So this is for sorting out, dividing your portfolio pieces into different groups, which means they can be sorted by people viewing your portfolio page. So we'll add a portfolio project. We're going to do one for each of these creative fields that we've created. Just grab some dummy text for now. You can add images and videos to projects, which is nice. We're going to test out just a couple of images here. There's some extra fields to fill in about the project, which will show when people are viewing the individual project on your site. I think a featured image is essential for showing projects properly on your portfolio page, so we'll definitely add one here. We should actually create the Creative Works page now so that we can use the Works page template to actually show our portfolio projects on this page. We should also make sure that this page is shown in our menu on the site. There's just one menu location here with this theme, so we'll use that one. Okay, our Creative Work page has our very first project on it, which is good, and we can see that the sort of label for our creative field is up there. We'll test another project though to see what the sorting looks like. There's an excerpt field, so we'll test that. It does actually show on the Portfolio Creative Works page, which is nice. All right, we can see the excerpt shows, and we've got 2 projects, each in a different category, so we can see how the project filtering works. And also, if you click through to view one of the projects, you can really easily move between projects. They've got lots of share buttons and things as well. So movement between projects is handled with Ajax too. Although you can turn that feature off, which I think is a sensible option to include, just in case you have conflicts with your other plugins or something. Page templates and blog template are fairly standard, but they look good. And just have a look at the theme options here in the Workality Light menu button. All the usual sort of theme options that you'd see. There's quite a lot of them, which is good. This is where you can change the layout of your portfolio page. If you choose larger images, then they only go into 2 columns, for example, which might be something that you like. Or you can have smaller images with 4 columns, whatever you prefer. We'll just see how that looks. 2 columns. Nice. You can choose which social share buttons are shown on posts, or you can disable them altogether. There's some SEO options here, but I'd recommend using a proper SEO plugin because I don't think these options are going to be hugely helpful, but Google Analytics code space is always good. A really good feature is that you can choose how many columns the footer widget should go into, anything from 1 to 4, which is nice. That's a very flexible type of layout. And put all your social URLs in, and then you can also save your options, just in case you don't want to have to re-enter all of these choices. And that's where you can disable Ajax navigation if you want to. We'll have a look at widget areas now quickly. We've got a blog sidebar, a page sidebar, and then up to 4 footer widget areas. We've just chosen to have 2 columns for footer widgets, so we'll just use 2 of the widget areas for now and just see how that looks. Two columns, great. Okay, we're going to test how the site looks on mobile now using Browser Stack. This is simulated iPhone 6. The site looks great, just a simple 1-column layout, all very readable. And we'll just test the responsive mobile navigation as well. This sort of slides in from the left, which is nice. You can see the portfolio page looks really great, and you can still do the filtering of projects. Great.